Imagine having the power to grow your wealth from anywhere in the world, right from your smartphone. In 2025, the investment landscape has completely transformed, offering tools and apps that were once unimaginable. Whether you're a seasoned investor or someone just taking their first steps into financial freedom, today's world is brimming with opportunities, but only if you know where to look. Over the next few minutes, we'll uncover the top foreign investment apps of 2025, apps that are changing the way millions invest, trade, and multiply their money. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll discover options that could redefine your financial future. Robinhood has become synonymous with effortless investing. In 2025, it continues to dominate the world stage with its sleek interface, commission-free trades, and intuitive design. What sets Robinhood apart isn't just convenience, it's the power to invest in US stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies from practically anywhere. The app's real-time notifications and insights make even beginners feel like financial experts, removing barriers they used to intimidate newcomers. But the story behind Robinhood is more than its interface. Its founders revolutionized the way people access financial markets, bringing Wall Street to your fingertips. Every swipe, every tap, is a chance to seize opportunities that were previously restricted to professional traders. Whether it's buying a slice of Apple, Tesla, or an emerging crypto token, Robinhood empowers investors with information and speed unmatched in prior decades. For 2025 users, Robinhood isn't just about trading, it's about community. Features like news feeds, analyst opinions, and peer insights create a sense of belonging, where investors learn together and grow together. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by traditional brokerage firms, Robinhood is proof that financial empowerment can be simple, transparent, and accessible. eToro has redefined investing by turning it into a social experience. Imagine not just trading, but following expert investors, learning from their strategies, and even copying their trades in real time. In 2025, eToro continues to be a global leader, bridging the gap between professional traders and newcomers hungry to learn. Its unique copy trading feature allows beginners to mirror seasoned investors' portfolios, reducing risk and increasing confidence. Beyond its social features, eToro supports a wide range of assets. From stocks and ETFs to commodities and cryptocurrencies, it offers unprecedented access to global markets. Users can diversify across regions and sectors without the complicated paperwork or barriers of traditional brokerage platforms. Every investment is backed by cutting-edge charts, analytics, and risk management tools to ensure smarter decisions. What truly makes eToro stand out is the community-driven knowledge. Investors share insights, predictions, and strategies, fostering an environment where learning and earning go hand in hand. By combining financial education with actionable investment options, eToro ensures that every user can feel empowered, informed, and ready to grow their wealth. If you're looking for sophistication, Interactive Brokers is the app for you. Known for catering to professional investors, this platform offers unparalleled access to global markets, including stocks, options, futures, and forex. In 2025, it continues to be the go-to for those serious about maximizing returns, providing deep analytical tools, low margin rates, and ultra-fast trade executions. The app's global reach is extraordinary. Users can invest in over 135 markets in 33 countries, diversifying portfolios like never before. The flexibility to trade across multiple currencies and assets makes it a dream for anyone aiming to build an international investment footprint. The sheer depth of features may intimidate beginners, but it is precisely this depth that gives investors a competitive edge in volatile markets. Yet Interactive Brokers isn't just about power, it's about precision. Advanced charting, custom alerts, and algorithmic trading capabilities give users control over every investment decision. In a world where milliseconds can define profit or loss, having such tools in your hands is like wielding a financial superpower. Revolut has transformed from a banking app to a full-fledged investment platform. In 2025, millions rely on Revolut not just to manage money, but to invest, trade, and grow wealth seamlessly. Its integration of stocks, ETFs, and crypto alongside banking features makes it an all-in-one financial hub. Users can literally deposit, trade, and track investments without switching apps, creating unparalleled convenience. The power of Revolut lies in its accessibility. Low fees, fractional shares, and user-friendly interfaces allow even first-time investors to participate in markets that were once exclusive to elite circles. Real-time insights, instant notifications, and goal-setting tools give users clarity and confidence in their decisions. Each feature is designed to make investing less intimidating and more engaging. For young global investors, Revolut is more than an app. It's a lifestyle tool. It encourages smart financial habits, helping users allocate money, grow assets, and learn about markets organically. In 2025, it's a symbol of how technology can merge daily finance and strategic investing into one seamless experience. TD Ameritrade has long been a pillar of investing in the U.S., and in 2025, it blends legacy reliability with modern innovation. Its thinkorswim platform provides unmatched analytical depth, sophisticated trading tools, and expert-level resources to investors of all levels. Whether you're studying historical stock patterns or executing complex option strategies, TD Ameritrade makes it possible. The platform also emphasizes education. Interactive tutorials, webinars, and insights empower users to make smarter financial choices. Beginners can learn the fundamentals, while professionals can execute high-level strategies, all under one roof. This combination of education and power creates an ecosystem where confidence and skill grow simultaneously. What sets TD Ameritrade apart in 2025 is its trustworthiness. With decades of proven reliability and regulatory compliance, it gives users peace of mind while navigating volatile markets. It's a platform where experience meets opportunity and where every investor can feel in control of their financial destiny. Saxo Bank's investment app is the gateway to international markets. Renowned for catering to high-net-worth investors, it offers access to stocks, ETFs, forex, and commodities across the globe. In 2025, its mobile platform combines elegance with advanced analytics, making global trading accessible to more users than ever before. Its standout feature is its market reach. Investors can tap into emerging markets, track global trends, and diversify portfolios with unparalleled freedom. The app also offers deep market insights and actionable research, giving users the confidence to make informed decisions. In volatile global economies, Saxo Bank ensures investors are always one step ahead. For ambitious investors, Saxo Bank is not just a tool, it's a partner. With personalized alerts, professional-grade research, and global access, it empowers users to navigate complex markets confidently. Every decision is backed by data, analysis, and a platform built for precision and growth. 2025 is the year crypto becomes mainstream, and Coinbase is at the forefront. It's the world's most trusted crypto exchange, enabling users to buy, sell, and hold thousands of digital currencies. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to the latest altcoins, Coinbase provides a secure, user-friendly platform that empowers everyone to explore the future of finance. The app's simplicity masks its power. Real-time charts, portfolio trackers, and staking options allow users to optimize returns while staying informed about the fast-moving crypto market. Security measures, including insurance and cold storage, provide peace of mind, which is essential in a market known for volatility. For those willing to embrace digital finance, Coinbase is the bridge between traditional investing and the decentralized economy. It educates, empowers, and enables users to take control of their financial future, proving that crypto is not just a trend, it's a revolution. Binance has grown into a global powerhouse in crypto trading. In 2025, it continues to offer the widest range of digital assets, high liquidity, and advanced trading tools. Unlike traditional platforms, Binance focuses on innovation, providing users with futures, staking, NFTs, and decentralized finance opportunities, all in one app. The platform is designed for flexibility. Advanced traders can utilize margin trading, algorithmic bots, and global market insights, while beginners can start with simple spot trading. Binance also emphasizes education, offering tutorials and risk management tools that make crypto more accessible to everyone. With a presence in multiple countries, Binance removes borders from investing. In 2025, it's not just an app. It's a global financial ecosystem that empowers users to participate in the digital economy fully, securely, and efficiently. Wealthfront offers an automated approach to growing wealth, ideal for those who prefer hands-off investing. Its robo-advisors use cutting-edge algorithms to build diversified portfolios tailored to risk tolerance and goals. In 2025, automation is smarter than ever, adapting to market trends and user behavior to maximize returns. The beauty of Wealthfront lies in its simplicity. Users set goals, fund accounts, and watch their money grow intelligently. Tax loss harvesting, automatic rebalancing, and AI-driven recommendations ensure portfolios remain optimized, minimizing manual intervention while maximizing potential gains. For modern investors, Wealthfront represents the perfect balance between technology and strategy. It removes emotional biases, streamlines decision-making, and provides confidence in navigating complex markets. In 2025, it's a must-have tool for anyone seeking growth without the headaches of traditional trading. M1 Finance blends automation with personal control, giving investors the best of both worlds. Users can create custom portfolios, automate contributions, and rebalance with precision. Its PI system allows anyone to visualize and manage their investments easily. In 2025, this unique approach appeals to both novices and experts seeking flexibility. The platform also combines banking features with investing, offering a seamless financial experience. Users can borrow, save, and invest from a single app, creating a holistic approach to wealth management. Its low fees and intuitive design make financial growth accessible to all. What makes M1 Finance extraordinary is its focus on personalization. Investors are no longer bound by rigid templates. They can tailor portfolios to align with values, goals, and ambitions. In a world where control and insight are everything, M1 Finance delivers both with elegance and efficiency. These apps are not just tools, they're gateways to financial freedom, knowledge, and empowerment. Whether you want the simplicity of Robinhood, the social edge of eToro, or the crypto frontier with Coinbase and Binance, 2025 has something for every investor. The key is taking that first step, exploring these platforms, and deciding your path to wealth. If you found value in this guide, imagine what your portfolio could look like a year from now with the right app, strategy, and consistency. Don't miss the chance to grow your knowledge and your wealth at the same time. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join a community of forward-thinking investors ready to conquer 2025's financial opportunities. Your journey starts now. Are you ready to take it?